Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. So in my case, it could be simply the calendar. Let's assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I need to do is use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me allow Samsung Capture to access photos, media, etc. So now let me show you again. Let's use power key and volume down one more time. And you just capture the screen. As you can see, you can also use the scroll capture. For example, let me open settings. Let me use power key and volume down again one more time. And here you can use scroll capture. So you can just capture the whole list of settings. Alright, you can also use other method of taking screenshot. You can just swipe your hand to the left or to the right. Let me show you. Let's swipe and you just save the screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's swipe again and you just capture the screen. Alright, so that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your pictures and screenshot, let's open the screenshot folder. So let's here find and select the gallery. Let me do it. You can also choose photos, for example, and here let's tap allow. In my case, let me confirm backup and synchronization. In my case, choose albums, and here you can choose camera and you can choose your screenshot. Now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.